Want to know the secret to becoming rich? It's called passive income. And today I'm going to teach you how to make $50 per hour with a secret app. The great news, it's completely on autopilot, so you don't have to do a thing. This strategy really puts the passive in passive income. Hey guys, what's up? This is Dark Money Secrets, and today I'll be showing you another side hustle that you can work on to earn some cash. If you like this video, drop your comments down below, hit like, and subscribe to our channel for more content. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you don't miss out. Ever wondered how you could make money by just clicking some buttons? Well, you're in luck because today I'm going to teach you how to make $50 per hour just by using an app. The first thing I want you to do is to search for Crello.com and go to their website. This is basically a free graphic design tool loaded with hundreds of templates, so you don't really need any experience in graphic design. The site is really pretty and is filled with lots of templates that you can use to make posters, logos, and other attractive content. In a way, it's similar to Canva. It offers a lot of templates that you can edit. You can see here that they have a lot of templates for a lot of stuff, and that's something you can take advantage of. Anyway, once you're on their site, the first thing you need to do is to create a free account. Just click on the sign up button on the top right of the screen and create a free account. Creating your free account should only take about 5 minutes or less. Just simply fill in all of the necessary details to set up your account and you should be good to go. The second thing I want you to do is to search for logos on the site's search bar. Once you click search, you'll be taken to a page with a lot of logo templates. All of them are high quality and editable, so it is very simple for us to customize the contents of the template. You can customize it in any way you want. You can change colors, add or remove text, and even change the shapes in the logo. You can design these logos as you please. Next, what I want you to do is to choose the logo you like and click on it. Once you click on it, you should be loaded to a page that looks similar to Canva. Here, you'll be able to customize the logo template. You can, for example, change the background color of the given logo template and choose the one that you like. Maybe your favorite color or something. Next, you can change the text of the template by double-clicking on the given text. This should allow you to edit the given text in the template. Next, you can go ahead and change some stuff on the logo to make it look more professional. You can change the name of the logo, for example, or the subheading below it. Just design it as you see fit. I'll just finish creating my logo, so see you guys in a bit. And that's about it for the design of the logo. You guys can always design it as you see fit. Then let's go to Fiverr.com. This is a very popular freelancing marketplace where you can sell your services. Here, people are selling their logo designs, intros, and various other services. What you'll be doing is to sell your logos. Now, if you search logos in Fiverr's marketplace, you'll see that a lot of people are making money just by selling their logos. You can see that people are selling their logos for $10. If you do the math, you can earn around $10,000 just by selling 1,000 logos on the platform. Imagine that! You can make a ton of money just by selling logos on Fiverr. This is why I highly recommend that you start this now. It is a very profitable side hustle that you can get into to earn some extra cash. It's actually really cool how easy it is to earn money online these days. The existence of these freelancing sites like Fiverr and free graphic design tools like Crello help us to easily create things that people would actually want to pay for. With Crello's vast templates, it will be really easy for you guys to create a great logo that pays. Now, since you will be selling your services to other people, it'd be best if you made high quality, good looking logos. Although that really won't be a problem thanks to Crello. Try to see what your client is looking for and design or customize the templates in Crello to the client's desire. What I recommend you to do is to create your free account on Fiverr. Just click the join button on the top of the screen and fill up the necessary details. Just so you guys know, freelancing is one of the best side hustles you can do today. Freelancers, unlike 9-to-5ers, earn an unlimited amount of income, and some have even quit their jobs and started working full-time as a freelancer on sites like these. Yep, the gig economy is definitely exploding today, and a lot of people are taking advantage of this. Go to YouTube, and there are countless videos on freelancers who are living their best life. The awesome thing is that there are so many niches in Fiverr and freelancing in general. You guys aren't limited to logo and graphic design. In fact, you guys could be offering other services like writing, translation, virtual assistant, and a ton of other stuff. However, if you guys want to stick to something easy, then this logo design strategy is definitely the way to go. Thank God for the existence of graphic design softwares, right? Best part is that since your logo designing services are posted on Fiverr, it'll just keep accepting orders even if you're not actively on the site. Of course, you'll have to work on these orders, however, to earn money. However, with Crello's easy-to-use interface, you'll be designing logos in less than 10 minutes, allowing you to complete a lot of orders in a short amount of time and a lot more money from it as well. So that's it, guys. That is exactly how you can make $50 per hour with these apps. As always, our channel is dedicated to bringing you fresh content that helps you build the life you want through side hustles. Once again, this is Dark Money Secrets, and if you liked the video, hit like and subscribe to our channel. Let us know your thoughts in the comment section below, and don't forget to hit the notification bell so you don't miss anything. That's it, and see you soon.